Well, Sylvia James and her counsel are still in federal court trying to convince a judge that alleged wrongdoing by investigators, former court workers, and Inkster's mayor led to her downfall. But for now, they concede there's only one real emotion for them on this day after.
Disappointment, naturally.
Disappointed because despite what he felt was a strong defense for Judge Sylvia James, he could not convince the state Supreme Court to punish her short of taking away her job. But decades of experience tell attorney Mayer Morganroth.
I don't have any argument with any court. You can't chastise a court for doing what they feel is right, even if you disagree with it.
Morganroth prefers to point to the words of the special master, retired Judge Ann Matson, who heard the JTC case against James and agreed with the JTC's charges.
That she was an impressive judge and did the work of two judges.
Morganroth defended Judge Sylvia James before the 7 state Supreme Court justices 2 weeks ago today, claiming her misconduct as the chief judge responsible for all aspects of Inkster's 22nd District Court for 23 years did not rise to a level that supports her removal. James, looking back on the charges, admitted after the July 18th hearing in Lansing she had made mistakes, but still blamed the state court administrator, Deb Green, for not telling her what not to do.
Had I been told by scale at any point that these were problems, which I was not until this process was in full bloom, then I would have done some things differently.
But James was there to hear the Chief Justice make it clear her excuse of not knowing the rules was more than unacceptable.
This woman is a judge. What do you mean you might not look at the law? I mean, I find that highly offensive to suggest that a judge of all people can wink and blink at the law.
We went to James' home to see if she had something to say one day after being removed from the bench. With no answer, it was left to her attorney to tell us if, as Sylvia James goes to the voters in just 6 days asking for re-election, if she has an apology for the people of Inkster.
As far as what transpired, it's really up to her whether she feels she does or not.
For now, Sylvia James is waiting for a court date to move her federal lawsuit forward. In the meantime, she's working on her re-election campaign. Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.